If you're creating an event that is helpful in any way, don't be afraid. You're trying to help people. Put it out there. I'm sure that all of my networking groups I attend every week are sick and tired of hearing about this event, but they heard about it and they knew where it was, and that's the most important thing. The worst thing in the world is to have someone who wanted to attend your event that never even knew about it.
Right. And one other idea in terms of promoting your event: ask centers of influence, either people that are your centers of influence, people or chambers of commerce, industry organizations, associations, other well-connected professionals, whoever it might be, to just help you spread the word in advance about your event, to get the word out to a greater circle of people.